Hello everyone, I am Rafia and welcome to my channel Rafia's Learning Hub. Students, today I am going to share with you some word opposites. Opposite means जो भी word given है उस word का उल्टा. Okay, so now let's start. First word is light and its opposite is dark. Light means ujala and dark means andhera. Next word is strong. Strong means powerful and its opposite is weak. Weak means kamzor. Next is boy and its opposite is girl. Next is stand and its opposite is sit. Stand means khade hona and sit means baithna. Next word is big. Big means bada and its opposite is small. Small means chota. Next is long and its opposite is short. Next is fat. Fat means mota and its opposite is thin. Thin means patla. Next is thin and its opposite is thick. Thick means mota. Next is slow and its opposite is fast. Next is below and its opposite is above. Below means niche and above means upper. Next is bad and its opposite is good. Next is sweet. Sweet means meetha and its opposite is bitter. Bitter means kadwa. Next is hot and its opposite is cold. Next is dirty. Dirty means ganda and its opposite is clean. Clean means saaf. Next is open and its opposite is close. Open means khula hua and close means band. Next is few. Few means kuch cheeze and its opposite is many. Many means bahut. Next is behind and its opposite is in front. Behind means piche and in front means samne. Next is cry and its opposite is laugh. Cry means rona and laugh means hasna. Next is huge and its opposite is tiny. Huge means bada and tiny means chota. Next is clever and its opposite is stupid. Next is asleep and its opposite is awake. Asleep means sona and awake means jagna. Next is soft and its opposite is hard. Next word is top and its opposite is bottom. Next is happy and its opposite is sad. Happy means kush and sad means dukhi. Next is dry and its opposite is wet. Dry means sukha and wet means gila. Next is order and its opposite is mess. Order means जो भी आपकी चीज़ें हैं वो सब सही से रखी हैं and mess means इधर उधर फैली हैं. Next is angry and its opposite is calm. Next is hate and its opposite is love. Hate means nafrat and love means pyar. Next is in and its opposite is out. In means andar and out means bahar. Next is cheap and its opposite is expensive. Cheap means sasta and expensive means महंगा. Next is left and its opposite is right. Opposite of right is left. Next word is right. Right means sahi and its opposite is wrong. Wrong means galat. Next is low and its opposite is high. Low means niche and high means ucha. Next is on and its opposite is under. On means upar and under means niche. Next is short and its opposite is tall. Short means छोटा and tall means लंबा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.